In a letter to the Prime Minister, the President, referring to executive powers vested in his office by Article 98 and 99 of the Constitution, directed that no eviction should be allowed to take place in a district without approval by the District Security Committee, chaired by the RDC in direct consultation with the Minister of Lands. If this is not done and evictions take place, the President said he will hold all members of the District Security Committee, except the UPDF representative, responsible and will take action against all of them. The Chief Justice, the President requested, should prevail on his magistrates and judges from violating the Constitution by illegally evicting people in collusion with land grabbers. The Minister of Lands, the President further directed, should inform the Attorney General about such abuses by the judicial officers so that legal action can be taken on them. Article 99(1) of the Constitution states that the executive authority of Uganda is vested in the President and shall be exercised in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Uganda. Wandera Ogalo is a lawyer.
His executive power means implementing the laws of the country, implementing decisions of the courts. Now, is this directive, does it fall under executive power? I would say no. Does not fall under executive power.
Ogalo agrees with lawyer Peter Warubiri that the President's directive is not legal. Ogalo warns that the directive could amount to interference in the independence of judicial officers in performance of their judicial roles in land disputes.
Should be frightened that the judges are now no longer going to be, action is not going to be taken against them via what the Constitution says, but what the Minister of Lands and the Attorney General decide. That cannot fall under executive authority of the President.
According to the National Security Council Act that establishes the District Security and Intelligence Committees, the committees inform and advise the National Security Council on matters relating to security in the district, coordinate and advise on policy on matters relating to intelligence and security, review and forward to the National Security Council security needs and goals in the district, receive reports from the district intelligence committees, advise on any other security matter which may arise in the district from time to time, and carry out any other function as the National Security Council may assign to the district committees.
Nowhere in this act is the District Security Committee vested with the power over land matters. Uganda has a very serious decision to make on whether the laws we make are worthy.
During the opening of the Judges' Conference, the Chief Justice committed to protecting judicial officers who he said are permitted to be wrong, provided they act within the law, which provides appeal.
But once you exercise your function in accordance with the law, I will always stand by you, stand with you, and defend you.
So I'm not certain whether the Chief Justice has received his copy, but what I'm certain of is that once he receives that letter, the fact that there is a request in that letter requesting him, I am certain that he will make a response as regards the issues which are being raised. And I'm very sure he will be raising them based on what the Constitution stipulates.
Under the Constitution, judicial officers are disciplined through a process by the Judicial Service Commission.
Experts have said many times that the current laws are sufficient to deal with the land problem in Uganda. But the question remains, why are they not being followed? And this letter from the President is being viewed by some as another move to further creep the country into a military government, as civil institutions face ominous disempowerment by the head of state. Edward Muhumuza, NTV.